I just got back from a conference, the VMA conference in Dallas. That is a veteran mortgage advisor summit. It was for 2 days and it was pretty spectacular. Great group of people, great community, learning about the VA home loan and the details, but more importantly about the veteran community and how we can better serve the community, be a better loan officer. One of the takeaways I got was that really when you're doing video, you should be authentic. And today I'm being authentic in my home office. The power is out at our regular office. And so I am home. You can see my cat picture in the back. I do have 3 cats and that kind of roam around the house a little bit with me during the rainy days. It's raining here now in California. We really have quite a drought going on, and so the rain is very welcome to us. And talking about VMA, Veteran Mortgage Advisors, and their community, one of the other takeaways I got was when we're talking about the appraisal on a VA home loan and the appraisal process. So what happens on a VA appraisal, let's say the appraiser thinks the value is going to come in a little lower than possibly the purchase contract. So the appraiser reaches out to the listing agent or via the appraisal portal and lets us know that the value may not come to as high as we actually need it. And so the listing agent actually has an opportunity within 48 hours to get back to the appraiser and submit up to 3 comparables to see if that can help the appraiser come to value. So that's one opportunity that you don't have on any other type of loan program. And then the other item is, let's say the appraisal comes back and it's still lower. We do have an opportunity to do a reconsideration of value. And that is also a very helpful process in possibly working with the appraiser and getting the value up. So there's some great opportunities there. A lot of times when I'm speaking with real estate agents and real estate groups, how do you feel about a VA loan? And a lot of them are going to say, oh, the appraisal is too hard. I always ask them, well, what does that mean? And a lot of times our realtors can't answer the question. They've just been giving information on the market from their fellow realtors, maybe even from some other loan officers. And so there's a lot of misinformation when it comes to the VA home loans. I thought that this was very, very good information. John Bell, he's acting executive director of the Department of Veteran Affairs Loan Guarantee Service. And he indicated that 80% of VA close higher than any other loan on the market. The average credit score for the veteran is 722. Debt ratio qualifying is 40%. And 40% of VA loans, even though they don't require a down payment, 40% of the VA loans have a down payment. The average assets or money left over, like in a checking or savings account, is about $40,000. So the VA loan itself is just such a strong loan program. I am trying to be an advocate for veterans, active military, and surviving spouse of a veteran, so that the realtors and other loan officers really understand the program and how that works. So as a loan officer, I want to try to better myself on a consistent basis. So our market right now is a little slower than normal, than we like to see it, just due to high interest rates. And I'm going to definitely work through this market and get to the other side. But what I've decided to do is master my craft. I have the time. So one of the first things I did was I contracted with a company to help me with video, hence the video. And then the second thing I did was I took the VMA course, the Veteran Mortgage Advisor course, which is awesome, great content. And then I went to VMA Elite. That's another course that I can take that's going to help me master my craft on home loans. I did do a certification course for boots on the ground also, and then I have another one set up for VARREP, which is Veteran Association of Real Estate Professionals, and that I can get all kinds of education, and not just for the VA, but for myself as a loan officer, myself as a person. I want to be the best that I could possibly be, and I think taking the time to educate yourself right now is really, really important. I also did a certification course for reverse mortgage. That's brand new to me. I got on all the Facebook sites so that I can communicate with other reverse mortgage loan officers. I'm really, really excited about that, and still going to specialize in me, kind of what can I do to be a better person? I want to teach classes. I actually reached out to a couple groups to set up the classes so that I can teach and educate, which is something that I really love, and continue with my home loan journey while I have this time. But like I said, again, our market is a little challenging. I can either hide in my office and not do anything, or I can really reach out and see how I can make a difference and continue to move forward to be a great loan officer and resource. I want to be a great resource for other loan officers and realtors alike. So this is my journey.